Number 9, it wants us to figure out whether it's a function or not. Now, if it's a function, for every x, there can only be one y value that goes with it. In other words, if I plug x in to be 5 into some equation, I expect only to get one answer. I don't expect to plug in 5 and get 10 and 12 as answers. You only get one answer. So let's see. We plugged 2 in, we got a 4. That's okay. Plug 3 in, we got a 4. Plug 5 in. I plugged different x's in, so every time I didn't plug the same x in and get some different answer. So yes, this is a function. On the next one, I plugged in -2, got an answer of 4. Plugged in -1, got an answer of 0. Plugged in 5, got an answer of 7. So yeah, that's a function. There's nothing repeating there. Look at this one though. You plugged in -1 and you got an answer of 4. You plugged in -1 and you got a different answer, 0. If x is -1, you're not going to get an answer for y to be 4 and 0. That's not happening. That's not a function. So for every x, there can only be one y that goes with it. So if x is 2, you expect one answer. So let's say x is 2, and we say, oh, we got 6. Well, later on, if you plug 2 in again and you get 7, something's wrong there. It's not a function. Remind me later. Number 12 says, hey, is this guy a function, this graph? Well, let's see. When x is 2, there's only one value that goes with it. When it's 3, one value goes with it. When 4, it's one value that goes with it. This is where we do that vertical line test. If I put a vertical line here, it's only going to hit in one spot each time. So for each x, there's only going to be one y. So yes, this is a function. Unlike this guy, notice when you plug 3 in, you get an answer there and there. That does not pass the vertical line test. It hits in two spots. So when x was 3, we had an answer of -2, and when x was 3, we had an answer of +2. That is not a function. This next guy, I thought I made a pretty little picture for you. This guy passes the vertical line test no matter where I am. If I'm at 1, there's only one solution. 0, one solution. -1, one solution. So whenever we plug in x being -1, there's only one solution, in this case 0. It passes the vertical line test, so yes, that is a function.